Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that what if token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, if is not a utility token, it is not governance, it is the 3M throw. It is the 3 a.m. throw every dozen has had named into a coin on the fastest chain in the game. What if token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 913.47 million IF token. IF token is listed on Uniswap V3, Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chance that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.